Okay, are you ready? Today we are going to have debating about living in the countryside and living in a city.
So, hello everyone. My name is Fitri Kusma Febriani. You can call me Fitri. So, I'd like to tell you about advantage of living in city. So, in positively, based on my opinion, for me it's better to living in the city because life is more easily. In case city has so many facilities to make our job is more easier. So, what do you think?
First of all, when I was studying, you can call studying, and if we compare between countryside and city, and I think one of the place people really want to live in countryside, but countryside have a slower pace of life because
You can help. Yeah, what do you think?
Our side live in countryside have many advantages. One of them is lower cost and of leisure and entertainment. Nature becomes your playground in the countryside, offering free of or low cost entertainment options like hiking, fishing, or bird watching. Access to natural resources and enrich your life with no expensive gym memberships on entertainment plans.
I think if you're
Hi, my name.
Okay, hello, my name is Melky. For me, I think to have live in city is have more advantage than living in countryside. You say everyone wanna live in countryside. I don't agree with you. So if we live in city, we will get better prospect like better job, better salary. So if we get a better job and better salary, we can get so many options of vacation. In city, we have so many restaurants, so many city view. I think it's more fun than countryside. I think countryside is too boring. Like what we will see just nature. So I think the countryside is more wonderful about future in the city, more future than countryside.
Okay. Other group?
Okay, thank you. Maybe I agree with you.
Name?
My name is My name is Farah, and I think I agree with you about the better prospect and maybe a big salary in the city. But I think in the countryside will gives you a strong communities. It means there is a stronger social bonding and in rural areas compared to the city, and the countryside have an intensive social interaction, high sense mutual cooperation, strong solidarity, and the fact most residents know each other. And here, a strong dependence one another on one another.
Okay, thank you. Yes, this group? Ayo, Igede, Dev. Okay, Igede.
Okay, my name is Igede. So I think that it's good opinion from Ajahn. But I think that when you speak about the strong communities in cities, we have the better prospect because the prospect, I think everyone need to have the experience, right? Experience is when you can learn about your weakness and then your strength that you have. So it's not about strong communities. Okay, I think it's right, but how long? Everybody needs to be push themselves, and oneself. I think that when you can be yourself, not just about the communities, but on yourself, on on your productive and on your passion that you have, you can have more experience. In nowadays, better prospect like your business, your work, and what the benefit that you have and what you want to get. Like, okay, we can talk about the celebrity, about the influencer, that people can influence the other people to better life in city. So I think that live in city is more better because they have more facilities, better prospect, better transportation, and the last one is better education, because I think that when you want to push yourself, you need that more education and a better education, because education can be supported about the technology, about the best transportation, like like, okay, maybe I think in Jakarta, right? In Jakarta you can more to expose yourself. Okay, maybe I think.
Okay, thank you Pak Camat. Yes.
My name is Divya Wahid. Thanks for your opinion. But my opinion, living in the countryside is more peaceful and calm because you are away from other humans and live in area where it is more clean and feels and smell like a breath of fresh air.
Okay. David and Gita.
Duluan, cepat.
Yo, Gita.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Gita Panjadewati Praskola. I agree about that in countryside has a peaceful of life. Yes, but in city side, we live in city. We get a better transportation. It means like in the city, in Jakarta, we can easier to take some taxis, or we call Grab, Gojek, or bus transportation. We easier to take it because in the city have a maintained road and highways.
Okay. Name?
Thank you for your opinion. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mariski. I know in the city have a better transportation, but I think living in a countryside has a more healthy for you, because the combination of countryside is have fresh air, this air pollution, slower pace of life, more having other activities like you can hiking, you can do fishing in the countryside. Yeah, in living in countryside, I think is more healthy for you.
Thank you for this opinion. Now I want to. My name is David Stefanus Kusnyoake. I think I totally agree about advantage in countryside, but I think it's nothing because if you don't have a better education, I think it's useless because education is one of important to create a
Human resources. Human resources?
human resources.
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me, my name is Rizal Bang Sadam. I agree with Dave. Reason because for me, educate is better. But if you want to get a calmful life, like far from rush, and you get more healthy. I think countryside is the one of the best ways that you have to, you have to pick. Because if we look, if you look back, the city side talk about the transportation, better transportation. But if you get the better transportation in countryside, my question is, where do you wanna go? Because there's something, maybe there's something you want to go in countryside because you just walk around and maybe you get the view or the view, and you just see other people just work and more like that. Then that is, maybe for me countryside is
The
more
best.
best than
Best ya. Okay. Well, thank you. Time's up. Thank you ya. So congrats for your test ya.